अमरीकी नायब सदर जेडी वैंस ने खबरदार किया है कि ईरान ने माहदे के तहत अपनी जिम्मेदारियां अदा नहीं की तो उसे कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा। जेडी वैंस ने बावर कराया कि अब तक पाबंदियों में कोई नरमी नहीं की गई और ना ही मुंजमद असासे जारी किए गए। माहदे में तयशुदा फ़ायदे ईरान को उसी वक्त मिलेंगे जब वो वादों की पासदारी करेगा। फॉक्स न्यूज़ से गुफ्तगू में जेडी वैंस ने बताया कि मफाहमती याददाश्त 1.5 सफ़े पर मुश्तमिल एक उमूमी दस्तावेज़ है। कई मामलात की तफसीलात तकनीकी मुज़ाकरात में तय की जाएंगी।
Behave like a normal country, then we want to treat them like a normal country and welcome them into the world economy. What paragraph 1 of the agreement says is effectively that Iran commits itself, just as the United States commits itself, to regional peace and stability. And part of that, Jake, is that the Iranians have to stop funding violent terrorist organizations. They have to stop funding regional instability. But the important thing about this agreement, Jake, is that everything, from what Iran gives us on the nuclear program, and of course that's the most important thing, is the commitment, verifiable, to never building a nuclear weapon, all of these things come along with benefits if Iran delivers, and nothing if Iran doesn't deliver. So we certainly expect that as part of our broader agreement, Jake, Iran is going to stop funding terrorist organizations. Most importantly, they're going to have a verifiable commitment to not building a nuclear weapon. But the good thing about the way that we've set this up is that we have the leverage here. We have the ability to welcome them into the world economy if they perform. We also have the ability to say, you know what, you don't get anything if you don't meet your end of the obligation.